Hello everyone, this is me Bhuvan and I'd like to welcome you all to my channel. In this video today, we are gonna add user, computers, create a group and add users to the group in Windows Server any version. So for that, this is our server manager and what we need to do is up here in the tools, we need to click over there and Active Directory users and computer. When I click on that, I'll get this kind of, I'll minimize this one, I'll get this kind of interface. And these are all the users and security group that I already have in this Windows server. So to create a new group, what we need to do is we first need to be inside this forest. And inside this forest, I first can create a new organization unit. For that, what I will do is right click on this one and click on new and then first organization unit, and for name of the organization unit I'll put Bhuvan OU, which is OU organization unit. Okay, and this is Bhuvan OU, and here I can create users or security group. OU, what we can think of OU is as a folder where we keep all our files. So in OU, I'll create a new user. For that, what we'll do, right click on that and new and user. I will name this user as B, and I already have Bhuvan already as that one, so I'll keep HUMAN Shuman, and last name I'll put NEUPAN Nupani, and login as SUMAN Shuman. And when I click on next, it asks me to put in password. So I'll set in password for this account. And here we can set some options for this password. For now, what I have done is user must change password at next login, which means if he logins to next time, he must change his password. And here is an option for user cannot change in password never expires, and account is disabled. We can set as we want. So I'll click on next, and this is the confirmation what will be created, and I'll click on finish. So Windows cannot say the password of someone because it says we didn't meet the password requirement, so we need to put a bit complex password. So I'll click on OK and I'll go back and I'll set another password which is a bit complex. And I'll click on next, finish. Yeah, and this is the new user I just created. Another option or another idea to create a user would be here in this bar we can see a person over here. So when you click on this one as well, the same thing happens, create a new user. And for now I'll set another user which will be Ram, and he will be Rai, and then login name will be Ram. So I'll click on next and I'll set a password here as well. I'll click on next and I'll click on finish, and I created another user as well. Now what we can do is we can create a security group as well. So for that, there will be two options to create that. So I'll right click on over here and then I'll click on new and then I'll click on group. Here we need to set a group name which would be for group I'll name this group as account, SECOUNT, account, and this is our security group. So I'll choose the group type as security group, and I'll click on OK. So here we just created our security group. So to add users to this security group, what we need to do is right click over here and go to properties and members. On this members tab, general, and in here in the members tab, we need to go over here in the members tab and we need to click on add. When I click on add, I'll get this kind of interface. This is a search interface. So object name, we need to put an object name that we want to add to this group. For now we are adding in user, so we need to type the name of the user that we want to add. So I just created Ramrai, so I'm gonna add Ramrai user over here. So I'll type RAM Ram and I'll click on check names, and Ramrai is a user that we have, so I'll click on OK. And if I want to add another user, I just need to click over here on the add, and I'll click on add, and then another username is Suman, so I SUMAN Suman, and I'll click on check names. So yeah, Suman Yapane is another user, so I'll click on OK. Here I can see the confirmation. I just added 2 users to this group, and I'll click on OK, and then the users will be here in this security group. What we also can do is add a security group to another security group. So I just have one security group over here, so I first need to create another security group. So another security group name will be sales, SALES, sales. I'll click on OK, and in this security group, in this account, I can add sales security group also. So for that, I'll again need to go on properties and then members, and then member. In here in member, what we can do is we can add. So if we want to add sales security group to this account security group, I'll just need to type SALES sales, check names, and then sales is already selected. I'll click on OK, apply, OK. So sales security group is also a member of account security group. So this is the thing. Now we also can edit some general information about the users. For that, what we can do is I'll click on Ramrai and I'll go over here and I'll go on properties, and here what we can see is first there is member of. So here I can see what member of is this one, and then the important thing for us will be addresses, and here we can set the addresses or contact details for this user. So here I'll put some address, and post box number something, yeah, and city, STRATHFIELD Strathfield, NSW, and 2134, and Australia. Okay, and for other details I'll again go on properties, and over here in account I can change user's login name over here, and I can set logon hours. So here login is permitted all the times, but if I just want to permit login just on Sunday, so what I'll be doing is I'll do this one, and only this user will be permitted to log in on Sunday. So for now I'll click on OK, and here we have some account options as well. So user must change password at next login, user cannot change password, password never expires, store password using reversible encryption, account is disabled, and some sort of things. And these are the general information that we can set, and I'll click on OK. So thank you everyone for watching this video, and if you want other video on other simple tasks that we can do in Microsoft Server, just subscribe this channel and watch other video that will be uploaded to this channel. Thank you everyone.